Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing gear and a mood. Pick a 35-50 mm or wide 24 mm lens to capture sweeping foregrounds and sky. Once set, dial aperture to f/1. 8f/4 to get soft background separation. Make sure ISO stays low for clean color. Position low to the ground for that Ghibli sense of scale and include a large foreground object to anchor the frame. Shoot horizontal and vertical. Take test exposures, then adjust shutter speed to keep details and highlights. Now shape the scene. Layer a clear foreground, mid-ground subject, and distant background to mimic the studio backgrounds in Ghibli films. Once done, choose a restrained palette, 2 to 3 dominant hues, and adjust props or clothing to match. This guides color grading later. Make sure to use soft fill light and a gentle rim light to separate subjects from the background, and if possible, introduce atmospheric elements like mist or light fog to create depth and diffuse highlights for that painted feel. You complete the look in post. Start by lifting shadows and warming midtones to achieve that nostalgic warmth, then selectively boost 1-2 key colors to guide the eye. Once the basics are set, add a soft glow and light film grain to emulate painted texture, and finish with a gentle vignette to center attention. Make sure to export at 16, 9 or 3, 2 depending on display. If the image reads flat, increase contrast selectively, paint in a rim light, or enhance atmospheric haze to recover depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.